Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. So I have another reaction video, another recommendation, and this is to react to Megan Thee Stallion Thot shit official music video. So I've never seen it before. I did watch her BET performance live. So I'm trying to see if I'm gonna get the same thing. So let's go. Because nowadays people, some of these artists are taking their time with their creative direction. So I'm cracking up because she's not even typing anything, she's just moving her fingers.
Stupid, regressive whores should have their mouth washed out with holy water. Good job, Senator.
Which is so fun to me because there are people out there who does this. I'm not trying to say senator or anyone, but there are people who does this that will comment something negative to fuel the fire, keep it going, and to keep reactions and manipulate the people and things like that for PR stunts. It is very common. Oh, with his wife and kids.
Hello?
Look, motherfucker. The women that you accidentally trying to step on or everybody that you depend on. They treat your diseases, they cook your meals, they haul your trash, they drive your ambulances, they guard you while you sleep. They control every part of your life. Do not fuck with them.
Oh, she Lil Nas X, she's just giving us acting. Oof.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When a liquor hit, then the bitch get toxic. Why the fuck you in the club when niggas wild? I've been lit since brunch, that shit. Order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionaire or doggy style on my top shit. Pussy ass niggas hating on me from the closet. Hoes trying to call me a snake, shit, I guess I can relate, cause a bitch spit a whole lot of venom. Since these hoes all rats, when they come around me, all I see is a whole lot of dinner. I walk around the house butt naked and I stop at air mirror just to stare at my own posterior. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Hands on my knees, shaking
I think I saw a trans woman in here. Okay, Megan.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass.
Ooh.
Hoes said they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie. Bitch so hot, gotta stay in bikinis. He got a girl, but he keep begging to see me. I love it when a nigga got a mouth full of BBs. No, I'm not a patient, but I let him treat me. I gotta be a doctor, how I'm ordering CCs. Go to your place, no face, no case. 99% tint in a blacked out race. I remember hoes used to clap for me happily. Now I'm bossed up and them same hoes mad at me. Acting like they rhyme whole time trying to pass me. Watching me go through it, still trying to drag me. Acting like you winning if you think about it actually. Are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a fuck about a blog trying to bash me. I'm the shit per the Recording Academy.
Because she did got a Grammy.
Drinking out the motherfucking bottle on my thigh shit. Everything I eat goes straight to my pockets. 2021 finna graduate college. Shot girl shit, I'm a real hot topic. Fucking on a nigga, make him sing on some pop shit. I need a real headbang on some rock shit. Pussy like crack when it hit it like dope. Got a real hot box for the bitch don't smoke. Hot girl, but I'm still a coldest. Hey, I'm the big homie, but I ain't the oldest.
Okay,
bitch,
Megan.
I ain't trying to get noticed. Man, ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Look, how many bitches lying if they say they boss is better? They really puppets, so I really gotta go at Geppetto. I'm really talking, but it really can apply to whoever. My pen a freak, it'll go after a bitch or a nigga. Big bank, take little bank, bitch, add it
Mistake,
up.
miss.
But they ain't in my caliber book, but I squeeze a little head in my calendar. Looking in the mirror. mirror like, damn, I'm bragging up. LVs, double C's, Birkins, I'm working. My chain ain't hitting if a bitch ain't hurting.
That dance move on the floor, they love to use that dance for a lot of these that.
And none of these hoes finna see me at the bank. And I'ma keep talking all the shit that I want. Not dare one of these hoes come tell me I can't. We ain't even speaking if the nigga ain't spinning. He could never say that I was one of his women. I don't even let niggas know I stay. I be damn if you think you popping up on this pimpin'. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees.
Hey, 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 hey. Oh.
Good morning, America.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, what a way to call someone P-U-S-S-Y. It was a very nice video. There's not really much I could say about it. Like I said it over before, she Illumina's X. I'm liking the creative direction that they're doing within the music video. The song was very catchy, something easy to follow, something you could, basically dance to for the summer. Very good job, Megan. I think that was very cute. It was cute. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl, and she's good at what she do. Yeah, she is. She's actually really good at what she do. This is very cute. This is better than I thought. I didn't come into here expecting anything much. I thought it was gonna be like the same thing, but it was surprising to me. It was really cute, Megan. I love the message and story behind it. I'm happy that she's standing behind something, like a movement, like a political statement, which is very good. Without music coming from a personal emotion, it won't be effective. So I like her standpoint that she's going, woman empowerment. Love it. For the person who recommended me to react to this, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I go to it as soon as possible. So, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.